Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe, manage payments and payouts step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type Stripe.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the sign in button at the top right of the page. Enter the email address you used to create your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe password carefully and double check for typos. If you use Google or Apple sign in, choose that option and follow the prompts. If Stripe asks for a verification code, open your email or authenticator app to get the code. Enter the code on the Stripe login page to complete two-factor authentication. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset instructions. After signing in, confirm you are in the correct account by checking the business name in the dashboard. Look at the left menu and click Payments to see recent transactions. Use the search bar to find a specific payment by customer email, amount, or payment ID. Click a payment to open its details, including status, fees, and timeline. If a payment is pending, check the reason shown in the status section. To issue a refund, click Refund in the payment details and enter the amount to refund. Confirm the refund and note that processing time depends on the customer's bank. Go back to the left menu and click Customers to view saved customer profiles. Select a customer to see their payment history and contact details. Now click Balances to review available funds and pending funds. Open the Payouts section to see upcoming, in transit, and completed payouts. Click a payout to view the destination bank account and the list of included transactions. To change payout settings, click Settings from the dashboard. Open the Payout Settings page and review payout schedule and currency options. Verify your bank account details and update them only if you are sure they are correct. If Stripe requests identity verification, go to Settings and complete the required business information. Return to the dashboard home to monitor key metrics like payments, disputes, and balance. If you see a dispute, open Disputes and follow the steps to submit evidence on time. Always log out on shared devices by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.